It's been a hot minute. But what I want to do now is fix this. As you see, it's not really connected to anything over here. I think the intent was at some point in this life, it was to tuck this thing and the ballast resistor sort of further back into this corner here. Unfortunately, if I were to stretch this out, this is already a disaster. But I have a plan for that. You watch and see. But my plan is to construct a bracket of sorts. What I want to do is tuck this thing. I want it to bite about right here. I still have plenty of room here with this sucker. But I want it right about right here. Like this edge right here, right in here. So I'm going to have to make this bracket. Luckily, I know how to weld, or I know how to weld okay. But as they say, the grinder and the paint make me the welder I ain't. Anyways. Yeah, that's from over there. So what I'm going to do, without further ado, I'm going to make the bracket. I think I got some flat stock around here somewhere. Maybe right there in that pile. Maybe. Anyways, what I'm going to do is make this bracket. I'm going to use cardboard, obviously, because, you know, why not? Because it's... Oh, wait, I burned a bunch of cardboard up last night. Oh, I know where I can find some cardboard. Let's see here. Let's see. Aha! I got plenty of cardboard. We'll see and find out. It's always the 13 millimeter. Until it's not. Where are you at? Hey. Oh. I come to find out that this thing is just loose. I could have tightened it up ages ago. But don't worry, I still have a plan for it. But see? I could have tightened it up. But me being me and me being this. But what I want to do is have this thing right about right there. Like right there. Yeah, right there. Or, I think that this would be better. Well, yeah. I think somewhere right there would be better. Yeah, right there. That's good. Then I can clean these contacts up too. Holy crap. Probably not really helping this hard starting because the timing's off. I think it slipped a tooth or four. I don't know. This thing... I mean, I'm ignoring the big silver black elephant in the room where that needs to get put into here, but I lazy or something or another. But yeah, I'm gonna do some computer aided cardboard graphics and we'll catch it from there. So even better news. Now, as I was looking this, I'm thinking all we need is a flat bar to go from here to here. And I wouldn't have to do anything crazy. So all I need is 2 pieces of flat bar. And basically, this is where I'd want it. Right there. I can even hook this right there. Yeah, that would work. So I just need to come up with a measuring stick. Somewhere over here. Oh, I need to do a story on this sucker. You want a weed eater that, yeah. This sucker, I have abused the ever-loving piss out of this for, good God, 14, 15 years? No, longer than that. Well, 2009, and the only thing I've replaced on is a spark plug just recently, and this little thing. This thing, you should see this, the starting You press that bulb 10 times. You move the lever to number 1. You squeeze the throttle 48 times. You pull 5 times, move lever to number 2. Pull 3 times to start engine. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Move the lever 3. But if you do that, that is like the best running weed eater I've had. I have a still right now that's in the shop because it's too fancy and it's built for, you know, emissions, you know, quality and, you know, fuel economy. This sucker, I'm sure I could run it off freaking diesel. I'm pretty sure. I'm not going to do it, but you get the point. The thing's rock solid. Anyways, measuring stick. Well, it looks like it would be about 2 inches-ish. Or for you fancy folks out in Europe land, 4.5 centimeters. Yeah, we could do, I'm thinking 1 inch, 2 inches, excuse me. 2 inches would be better. And found my flat bar. And this is what I'll use. So basically, I wrote some numbers down here one time, and well, I don't know where they went to. They done gone somewhere. All right. Let's see here. Well, you don't need to be. I don't need to show you. I'm going to draw out 2 inches here. Some of you, that's 2 inches a little much for you. I'll continue right along. I changed my mind. I'm going to go 2¼ inches because I think 2 inches is a little too small. I can always grind off what I don't need. You've seen holes drilled before, right? Yay. Can we continue? Okay, now you see what I'm trying to go for. Something like that. Like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Let's get the other one done. All right, this is what I kind of plan to do. Now I have to take it all apart and grind off some things and paint it black. Yeah, this is my idea right here. Yay. Let's get to it. And just like that, I'm done. As you can see, it's routed a little better. Oh, yeah. My coil turned into a Sapporo can. I've seen someone do it on YouTube. I'm thinking, oh, yeah, I'll do it. And I didn't cut it straight, but I'm going to keep it there for a while because it's a load-bearing can, half a can, I think. But, yeah, that's it. This is bugging me for years, and I just said finally one day on Easter Sunday, I decided just to do it. Yeah, I think that's it.